Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be baking these chocolate chip cookies, egg-free and dairy-free. In the bowl I have 112 grams of butter and I'm going to add to that 150 grams of sugar. I'm using a dairy-free butter in mine. And of course you can do this by hand, but I'm just using the machine today. I've added a teaspoon of vanilla extract and I've now added 250 grams of sifted all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Now for 200 grams of dark cooking chocolate. Now I'm adding some dairy-free milk. I'm just going to add just enough to make a dough. We're going to rest our dough in the refrigerator for up to an hour. So you'll want to bake these for 10 to 15 minutes in a preheated oven of 180. Mine took about 12 minutes to bake. I leave them on the baking sheet just to cool down a little bit before transferring it to the cooling rack. Dairy and egg-free chocolate chip cookies. They're absolutely delicious. They smell delicious and taste delicious. Give them a try and let me know what you think. So there we are, your egg-free and dairy-free chocolate chip cookies. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.